Say goodbye to notifications and pop-ups telling you it's time to post on TikTok. That's because Later officially announced auto-publishing directly to TikTok. So I'm going to walk you through how it works, what to do, what not to do, and of course, at the end, I'll share a little gift for you guys to try it out for yourselves for free. Let's jump into the walkthrough. Welcome to the Later platform. As you can see, my TikTok account is already connected up here. That's exactly what you'll be able to do with the link that I'll share at the end. Now, I do already have content here. This content might even look familiar to some of you guys. So what we're going to do is actually go and filter by what I have not used. So this is the new content that I have already uploaded. To upload, it is super easy. You'll just go on and you'll drag any new content straight into the Later application. While that new video is uploading, I do want to remind you that while TikTok is a great platform and a lot of us are hearing how it has great reach and this and that, keep in mind to not limit yourself to only one platform and try out which one has the best results and benefits for you. For those of you that are already part of the YouTube family here, meaning that you're already subscribed, then you already know that all those videos that I just showed you that I've already used, I actually did a full experiment for 30 days posting on 3 different platforms, TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, to see which one brought in the best results. And to my surprise, it was actually so you have to check that video out if you haven't already. And now back to our walkthrough. So our new video is here with the other 2 videos that I still have not used. Now it's super easy. What you're going to do is select on the one that you want to use and boom, you drag it over to the day where you want it to auto publish. Automatically, you'll see that this window comes up. This is the window where you're going to add in all your other elements, captions, tags, all the good things. Right after I show you what I did on that window, I want to remind you that I'm about to share the 3 things that you need to make sure you are avoiding when using this platform. All right, back to this screen. Right here, I added in my caption, my hashtags, and I did turn on Allow Duet and Allow Stitch. We obviously want to make sure that all these features are turned on because that will also allow our post to have a wider reach. Now, for the most important part, this is where you get to decide how you want your content to publish. You either have the auto publish button or send notification. For those of us that have a TikTok business account, then you can automatically do the auto publish. If you do have a personal or creator account, then you will still have to use the notification, which is just as great. Now from here, all that's left after you select how you want it to actually go out is to select and confirm the date with the time that you actually want that post to come out at. As soon as you're done with that, all you have to do is just press the save button and voila, you're good to go. So now the 3 things that you need to avoid before I share what you actually need to know about using this platform the right way. Number 1, avoid doing one by one. Obviously, a platform like this allows you to save time to batch your content and to have more time doing other things in your business and in your content. So what's the point of doing one by one? If you are scheduling your content, make sure you are doing it in bulk, at least 5 at a time, so that way you are saving time and adding into that consistency factor. Number 2, just because you're not doing it on your phone doesn't mean that you shouldn't be adding in hashtags. Hashtags work just the same way on the Later platform as they do as when you post it on your phone. So if you are adding in hashtags to your content, make sure to do it on the desktop version as well. Last but not least, keep in mind the importance of using a good cover and a good hook. If you are using the notification feature, then you can still go in, drag and select your cover, add in that text. If you are doing an auto publish, you want to make sure that the first seconds of your video have a good cover, it is hooking, and it is enticing to look at when people are looking at your profile from the outside view. I'm about to share that link, but these are 3 things you need to know about the platform. Number 1, obviously this is a platform that is made to save time and allow us to build up on that consistency. But it doesn't mean that number 2, you forget to interact. One of the biggest things that happened when platforms started to roll out Instagram auto publishing was that people would just leave content scheduled. They wouldn't even get on the platform. They wouldn't interact with their audience. They wouldn't answer any questions. And that's something you definitely do not want to fall into. Keep in mind that TikTok is a platform that also runs on trends. So while yes, you do want to keep up with that consistency, and having your main pillar content scheduled allows you to bring that consistency, you also want to still allow yourself to be quick to act and jump on any trends. So that means you leave your content scheduled. Consistency, check. Now you also have time to interact on the platform, see what's working, see if you want to comment on anything that's been happening. That allows you to also have that free time, create quickly, share things that are coming up, share things in your day-to-day, and that mixture actually creates that perfect bundle on TikTok. And here's a little bonus. I know a lot of us actually use TikTok to edit because it's quick, we have those sounds, but then when you want to share it on another platform, you have that annoying TikTok watermark. So the secret, I actually updated this video. I shared a way that you can quickly save your videos without that annoying TikTok watermark to have to repurpose either onto Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Using the link down below that you'll find in the description, you're going to click create your free account and you'll have access to a free trial to their paid plan. You can auto publish to TikTok, even use it for other platforms. And of course, I want to know in the comments what your thoughts are after playing around with the platform, after using all their features. I want to know if you guys are loving it, so make sure to take advantage of that free trial by using that link down below. And of course, if you guys loved this video, you guys know I'll see you right back here on this same exact channel next week. Bye bye, guys.